Today we're taking you on a tour of a beautiful property that's perfect for those seeking modern living in a cozy package. This home features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a 1-car garage, all nestled under 1,200 square feet of living space. Let's take a look at 1742 Southeast Burgundy Lane in Port St. Lucie, Florida. Entering the home, you're immediately greeted by an open floor plan with stunning porcelain tile. The living room and dining room flow seamlessly, and the inviting kitchen island is the perfect space for casual dining. Imagine preparing your favorite meals here with gorgeous quartz countertops and new stainless steel appliances. It's perfect for entertaining or just enjoying a quiet night in. Both bedrooms have walk-in closets giving you plenty of storage space. The bathrooms both have quartz countertop vanities. The main suite bath features a walk-in shower with pebble stone tiles. Let's talk about the updates that add value and efficiency to this home. The HVAC unit inside was replaced in 2022, and a new water heater was installed in 2021. Also in 2022, 3 impact windows were added to the front of the home. And just this year, a brand new roof was installed. Located in eastern Port St. Lucie, this home is an ideal location for anyone who desires close proximity to conveniences and recreational activities. Just around the corner is Lingate Park with ball fields, a dog park, basketball court, volleyball court, tennis and racquetball, and a playground. Enjoy a day at Pioneer Park or the Banyan Basin Splash Pad with the Port District only a 5-minute drive away. Also within 5 minutes, you can be on the putting green at the Saints Golf Course. Within 7 minutes, the hiking trails and kayaking at Savannah's Preserve State Park awaits. There's also plenty of shopping around with the Treasure Coast Mall in Jensen Beach only 10 minutes away. This home is not just about stylish updates, it's also about peace of mind and all of these recent upgrades in a great location of Port St. Lucie. Give us a call or text today to experience these amazing features in person.